Hello there, welcome to another video. Today we are going to see some no copyright videos. So now without wasting time, let's start the video. Let's see this ocean water. Beautiful view, nice music, I like it. I really like it. Wow. Quiet ocean. Too much water. This is this short video. Let's see another video. Okay. This is nice. There's a ship over here. The sun you can see in the video. The ship is going somewhere. The sun has set down. The sun has risen again. It's morning, it's evening, and it's night. Night looks beautiful. Beautiful sky. You can clearly see the clouds. Extremely beautiful. Let's see another video of no copyright music. Very lights. Let's see when it is night. This is night scene, and looks like people are going from here to there. I like it. Very nice. The music is also good. I hope you guys are also enjoyed it. Let's see another video. These are short clips actually. Let's see this video. There are many ships. It's the sunset time. I think this is a picture. You can see moon in the sky. The light is coming from the sun, I guess. Let's see another video. Look at this city location. It's a busy street. This is helicopter view. I think they have shot it from the drone. But nice video. Some cars are going. It's afternoon. The signal is there. Busy street. People are walking on zebra crossing. Buses are there. Nice video. They have fast forwarded it. I think this is same street but from different angle. Cars are moving. Same street. Now here's the signal. Red, green, yellow, again red, green. It will repeat itself. Now here is a couple, I think. It looks like their boyfriend girlfriend. sunny weather. Nice video. Let's take a look at another video. This cartoon video. Christmas trees are there. You can see Christmas caps. The Christmas music. There's a snowman. Gifts for Christmas. Nice video. The lighting is there. The moon is there. It's not full moon. Clouds are there. The music, if you listen closely, the music is jingle bells, jingle bells. It's really nice music. The Christmas tree, you can see heart shaped. Balloons are there. Beautifully decorated Christmas tree. I like it though. Let's take a look at another video. Planet Earth, amazing nature scenery. Let's take a look at this. We will see some birds and hopefully we'll see some beautiful animals. Wow, the video started with the beach. Beautiful beach. White sand is there. Nice music. Now here it looks like a lake. The sunset scene was there. Wow, the mountain cliffs. Beautiful. You can see the clouds. A golden color you can see. It's night view, beautiful night view. Snow. Too much snow is there. There are trees. Amazing, amazing. This is a bridge. I think this is San Francisco, Silicon Valley, you can say. This is a very cloudy day. You can barely see the top of the bridge. This is spring's time. You can see orange trees. They're beautiful. Wow, this is nice. Okay. There's this animal. It is walking very slow. A beautiful beach is there. So many ships you can see. Again, white sand is there. People are hanging out on the beach. Waterfall. Nice water. Crystal clear, clean water is there. Between the rocks. Okay, there are two lakes or sea. I didn't get the full view yet, but I think it's sea. It's beautiful. You can see hills there. This is greenery. I guess it is Switzerland because it has so much greenery like this. Again, there is a waterfall. Beautiful white water. I love the way water looks here. It's white. Now this is a forest. I think they have taken the shot from either balloon or drone, but it's beautiful. Amazing camera work here. Again, it is waterfall. You can see the birds. Wow, this forest is full of life. It's nice here. Again, there is the sea. It's really beautiful sea. Trees are there and boats are there. This is beach. Again, there's a waterfall. It is a river. It looks like a river flowing through the forest. It looks good. I like it. Actually, we have started this video in a hope that we will see wildlife, but we are seeing this nature's beauty. This is also good. I can't complain. Now here is a parrot, a colorful parrot. It is good, and I like the way it looks. Look, it is looking at the camera. Oh, how it allowed cameraman to go so close. Oh, he has taken this video by doing zoom on the pet's face. Extremely close shot of the pet. This video is about Trent. I hope you liked this video. If you liked, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.